Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is calm, simple, and easy to follow for beginner English learners. Lena is waiting outside a busy shopping mall at night. She needs to find the correct Uber car safely, but there are many similar cars in the pickup area. Lena and her friend Mia must check the app carefully and find the right driver. Don't worry. The English is slow, clear, and beginner-friendly. Here is today's listening question. What is the license plate number on Lena's Uber car? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And after the video, you can write your answer in the comments. Writing your answer helps you practice English and remember the story better.
Wow, there are many cars here.
Yes, it's very busy tonight.
I think every car is white.
A lot of Uber cars are white.
This pickup area is confusing.
It's okay. Take your time.
Let's stop here for a minute.
Sure, let's check the app first.
Okay, where is the driver now? The app says the driver is 3 minutes away. Only 3 minutes?
Yes, the car should arrive soon.
I see a white car over there.
Let's not rush.
Right, we should check carefully.
Exactly. First, check the car color.
The app says the car is white.
Good. What else do we need to check?
The driver's name?
Yes, and the plate number too.
Right, the plate number is important.
Very important. Many cars look the same.
I understand now.
Good, you're doing well.
Thanks. I just want to find the correct car quickly.
We will. Just take your time.
Okay, let's check the app again.
Sure. What color is the car?
The car is white.
Great. Now let's check the plate number next. Okay, let's check the information carefully.
Yes, there are still many cars here.
Don't worry, we can do it step by step.
Okay, what should we check first?
First, check the driver's name.
The driver's name is Ken.
Good. Please say it again.
The driver's name is Ken.
Perfect. Now check the car model.
It says Toyota Camry.
Great. And what color is the car?
The car is white.
Very good. Now let's check the plate number.
Okay, the plate number is 51A726. Good job. Please read it one more time slowly. 51A726. Excellent. Why is the plate number important? Because many cars look the same. Exactly right. I think I understand now. Good. Always check carefully before you enter the car. Yes, I will check the name and the plate number. Perfect. Oh, look, another white car is coming. Okay, don't rush. Right. First, I check the plate number. Very good. You're doing well. I can't see the numbers clearly yet. That's okay. The car is still moving. Let's wait a little longer. Good idea. I feel much calmer now. Great. We're almost ready.
Mia, look! A white car is stopping here. Okay, let's check carefully first. I think this is the Uber. Maybe. What color is the car? It's white, just like the app says. Good. Now check the car model. I think it's a Toyota Camry. Okay, that sounds right. Should we walk to the car? Wait a second. Let's check the plate number too. Right, the plate number is important. Exactly. Can you see the numbers? Yes, I think so. What numbers do you see? I see 51A729. Let's check the app again. The app says 51A726. Then this is a different car. Oh, you're right. The numbers do not match. Good catch. Wow, the cars really look the same here. Yes, that's why we check carefully. I almost walked to the wrong car. It's okay. You checked before getting inside. True, that was important. You're doing very well. Thanks, I feel more careful now. Good. Safety first. The driver in that car looks confused too. He is probably waiting for another person. I'm glad we checked again. Me too. Don't rush in busy places like this. Right, first check the app, then check the plate number. Exactly. Okay, let's keep waiting for Ken.
Hello, Ken?
Hello? Yes, this is Ken.
Hi, I'm your passenger, Lena.
Hi, Alina.
I'm waiting outside the shopping mall now.
Okay, I'm near the mall too.
I can't see your car yet.
Sorry about that. Traffic is very slow here tonight.
Oh, I understand.
Where are you standing now?
I'm near the main entrance.
I see. I'm closer to the coffee shop side.
The coffee shop side?
Yes, there are fewer cars there.
Okay, I think I know that area.
Good. Can you walk there?
Yes, I can.
Great. I will wait there for you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Your car is white, right?
Yes, that's right.
And the plate number is 51A726.
Correct?
Perfect. Thank you for confirming.
Of course. Please take your time.
Thanks. We will walk there now.
Okay, I will be there soon.
Thank you for calling back.
You're welcome. See you soon.
See you soon.
Hi, are you Lena?
Yes, I am.
Great. Sorry for the delay.
That's okay. The traffic is very busy tonight.
Yes, very busy.
Let me check the car information first.
Of course. Take your time.
The car is white.
Correct?
And this is a Toyota Camry, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, good.
Would you like to check the plate number too?
Yes, please.
It is 51A726.
Let me see. Yes, the numbers match.
Perfect.
And your name is Ken.
Yes, I'm Ken.
Great, this is the correct car.
Excellent.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem at all.
I'm happy we checked everything carefully.
That's always a good idea.
There were so many similar cars outside.
Yes, that happens a lot at this mall.
I almost went to the wrong car earlier.
Really?
Yes, but I checked the plate number again.
Good job. Safety first.
Exactly.
Okay, you can get in now.
Thank you.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Let's go.
Hi, Lena. Did you find the correct Uber?
Yes, I did. I'm inside the car now.
Great. Everything is okay?
Yes, everything is good.
Perfect. How do you feel now?
I feel much better now.
Good. You handled the situation very well.
Thanks. At first, the pickup area felt very confusing.
Yes, there were many similar cars there.
Exactly, but checking the app carefully really helped.
That's right. First, you checked the car color.
Yes, the car was white.
Then you checked the driver's name.
Right, the driver's name was Ken.
After that, you checked the plate number.
Yes, the plate number was 51A726.
Perfect. I almost went to the wrong car earlier, but you checked the numbers again.
Yes, and the numbers did not match.
That was very smart.
Now I understand why the plate number is important.
Exactly. Many cars can look the same.
I also liked calling the driver.
Yes, that helped a lot too. He explained where he was waiting.
Right, near the coffee shop entrance.
Yes, after that, everything became easier.
I'm glad to hear that.
Honestly, now the process feels simple. Great. Next time will feel even easier. I think so too. Just remember, first check the app, then check the plate number, and after that, confirm the driver's name. Exactly.
Thanks again for helping me today.
Of course, you did very well.
Thanks. Now I feel much more confident using Uber safely.
Great job listening today. Lena stayed calm, checked the app carefully, and found the correct Uber car safely. Step by step, she checked the car color, the driver's name, and the plate number. In the end, everything went well, and she felt more confident. And you did very well too. Now, let's remember today's listening question. What is the license plate number on Lena's Uber car? If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. Writing in English is a simple and powerful way to practice. It also helps you remember new words and useful phrases from the story. Thank you for spending time with English listening stories today. If this story helped you feel calmer and more confident with English listening, please like and subscribe for more slow, easy, and relaxing English stories. And if you want to support more videos like this, you can also join our channel membership. Take your time. Keep listening. Keep learning. See you in the next story on English Listening Stories.